I still have to pinch myself. I can't believe that it's our home. So yeah, no, I'm really pleased with it. My name's Tom Lowick. I am a farmer, farm cattle in Northamptonshire, and we build as well. We always have a project on the go, so whether it's converting an old grain store or a chapel. We got permission to build this farmhouse, this new farmhouse. We've been working on the permission for a few years, and we had the idea of designing it around a house that my dad used to live in when he was a child. He grew up in Castle Ashby on an estate farm there, and so we took some pictures of that and gave that to the architect, and they sort of designed this around that house. And I wanted to build something special, something to leave behind for the kids. I'm 5th generation on this farm, so I wanted to make my stamp on it and build a house that people will sort of remember me for. We've got a few sets of French doors in this one, and then the windows are mullioned, so they're sort of single casement windows. There's lots of them. Yeah, we've got timber front door, because they just had a few more options. Like, we wanted that character look for the front door. We wanted like a bit of a statement. They just offer that bit of character. And then in the kitchen diner, we've got a big slider. That's really nice. Yeah, it's a bit of a showpiece. We've always gone for bifolds over the years, but we just wanted something a bit different. And they've got like this electric locking mechanism on it. Just felt a bit slicker to go with the sliding door. In the summer we always have that open, just a nice airy feeling in the kitchen. Great for barbecues. We first met Kloeber at the Grand Designs show. I think it was like 2012. We were doing a project, we converted 3 barns into houses. So I met Nick from Kloeber, and we were just really impressed with them. So we used them on those first 3. I think we built 12 barn conversions or new builds, and Kloeber have done nearly all of them. It's just one less thing to worry about. If you're working with people that know what they're talking about, it sort of takes a bit of the worry away from you. We sort of do our best to build the nicest houses we can, and Nick at Kloeber takes some of that responsibility away. When it came to ordering the windows, it was really straightforward. Nick, the rep that I use, he's really helpful, and he sort of knows what we're looking for, and he makes good suggestions. Like, we try and change the handles and just little different features on each build, so he helps sort of tailor that so it has an individual feel to it. We'll send the detailed drawings over to Kloeber. They'll start working on it, and we'll go back and forwards till we sort of come up with the right solution for the job. When they arrive, it's all really well packaged. The guys that are unloading are careful. It's all well documented, and the guys fitting, they're just conscientious, and yeah, just an all-round good firm. We've used window companies before, and although the product's been great, that we've had really bad fitters that have damaged windows, and then you have to watch them. You know, when you spend a lot of money on these products, you expect them to come with a decent team to fit them out. But with Kloeber, it's always been really straightforward. They send some good guys that are careful, and the warranty you get with them gives you peace of mind. I'd definitely recommend Kloeber, and I do recommend Kloeber. You pay the right money and you get a really good quality product. You get sort of peace of mind, and if you want to do a nice job, you've got to spend the money in the right places. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend Kloeber.